Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you two things about Bluetooth. Means in Bluetooth, if you want to change the name of this device, and if any device is connected to your mobile via Bluetooth, then if you want to change the name of that device also, we are going to discuss in this video. So if you do not know this, please continue with this video, and if you like it, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just going to the setting, go to the Bluetooth, and from here device name is there. From here you can change whatever you want, your name, any mobile name, any city name, whatever you want to name the Bluetooth. Means your device will appear with that name if anybody else search via Bluetooth. So this is first thing why I wanted to tell you. And if some devices are connected, then from here go to the paired to Bluetooth devices and rename it. From here you can change the name of the devices connected according to your choice. So this is the two things. And the third one thing is also important. If you want to know the apps which are turning on the Bluetooth, go to the additional setting in this, and here from you can see the list which apps are turning on the Bluetooth, and from here you can see the Bluetooth block list also. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel.